Hey guys, this is Jen, and this is Real Talk with Jen. So, I just want to let y'all know I am not bald. I actually have all my hair wrapped up inside of this little wrap contraption situation thing. Yes. Just so my hair's not in the way. I just realized that I am broke. I've always known that I've been broke. I just really realized how broke I am. With that being said, and excuse my congestion, I am getting over a cold, but yes, I just want to show you guys how I put my makeup on, and I'm on a budget. This is literally the wrong way to put your makeup on, but it works for me. I mean, I never knew how to put makeup on. I never started wearing makeup until my sophomore year of college. That's when I started wearing makeup. And when I say makeup, I mean I wore like eyeliner and mascara, and that is all. I'm going to show you guys how I put my makeup on. I just want y'all to know this is not a tutorial. If you don't know how to do makeup, you probably shouldn't watch this video because you're probably not going to learn anything from me. You'll probably just judge me. If you do wear makeup and you know how to put it on right, you're probably going to sit here and judge me this whole video. I don't really care. I mean, my skin is not that sensitive. I mean, it ain't 100% beautiful, but it ain't 100% sensitive either. So the way I put my makeup on, it's just how I do it. Also, I don't have time to be sitting there trying to perfect my face for 2 hours. I don't have time for that. It might take me 15 minutes. It might take me 5. I've done makeup in 5 minutes, and that's what we're going to try to do today. So, we're going to start off with, look at my cute bag. I got this as a birthday present. Thank you, Sarah. It's cute. You be you. This is where I put on my makeup. So, the first thing I do, I got this from okay, if you're black, you understand. This is not a real black hair store if it's not owned by Koreans. I don't know how or why this is a thing, but literally I do not go to any kind of black hair, black supply, nothing unless it's owned by a Korean, because then I feel like it's not good. But anyway, I got this from the black hair supply store. I know that I say hair, but they have makeup in there too. This is a Kiss product. I don't know, but this is like a foundation. Oh, first of all, my lips. Before we start, let me put some chapstick on because I can't. Also, I can't afford those little fancy mirrors with the lights on it, so I'm literally using like a light bulb and like the natural lighting because I can't. But anyway, this is like a foundation stick. I'm also running out of it. But it's funny. The color that I have is dark chocolate. Can you read that? Dark chocolate? No, it's blurry. But it's dark chocolate. It's between dark chocolate and maple syrup. I don't want to be walking around like maple syrup, so dark chocolate it is. So I literally just put it under my eyes. And then I just like put it on everything that looks like it needs to be colored in. Because, yeah, I don't want to be out there looking ratchet. Yeah. Yeah, and then do a little T-zone because, you know, that's just what we do. Yep. Oh, well. Look, you can't even tell that I put anything on my face, right? Yep. And also, this is where you're going to judge me again. I can't afford those little sponge blenders. And sometimes I do my makeup in the car. Sometimes I do my makeup somewhere where I'm not at home. So I use toilet paper. But I don't use like the cheap toilet paper. Like this is like the 2-ply. Like this is like that good toilet paper. Because I don't like to rub my butt with nothing but good toilet paper. But anyway, I blend that in, you know, a little bit. Because, you know, I don't want it to look 100% ratchet. You guys are already judging me. I could feel it. Yeah, I'm still sick. You heard that? Yeah. So, next thing I do, another Kiss product. Boom. This is my powder. This is where I just blend it all in. And luckily this comes with something, so I don't have to use toilet paper. But yeah, I just go over everything I just did, but like you know, go all the way to my ears because I don't want it to look like, you know, I'm two-toned. Yep, I feel like you guys are judging me. I don't care. You can judge me all you want because I still look cute. And, you know, like I said, I know my face. And I know my face does not break out easily. So, I could do stuff like this. And I try to wash my face. Like, as soon as I get home and I take my makeup off, I try to wash my face, like, immediately. But sometimes I fall asleep with my makeup on. But then I wash it the next morning. I don't do the, you know, let's wear my makeup, go to sleep, and then wear the makeup the next day. I'm not that type of person. I'm not that ratchet. I might have just judged some people out there. Sorry. I do own some name brand stuff. I do. Besides Kiss. This is NYX, y'all. NYX. This is NYX eyebrow pencil. So what I do is I like to comb out my eyebrows. You probably are like, you didn't even contour. Because I don't do that. I don't need to contour my face because I don't know how to. And I'm not going to sit there and I'm not going to try to contour my face because then I'm going to be looking like Bozo the Clown. And Jennifer is not trying to be looking like Bozo the Clown. That's something I don't want to do. Not today. Not tomorrow. Not ever. So anyway, all I'm doing is just outlining my eyebrow and filling it in because my eyebrows are jacked up and I haven't had my eyebrows done in about months. So anyway, after I do that, I just take this brush and try to not make it look like I just drew them on. Yeah, because I did. I have another NYX product. This is a highlighter. It's kind of old. Well, it's not old, but I've used it a lot. It's actually broken, so I have to be very careful when I open it. But it's a highlighter pencil, and I'm just gonna go under my brow and then go over it and do the same thing over there. Oop, oop, there it is. There it is. So like I said, I can't afford like fancy like sponges, so fingers it is. I'll do the little finger blend. Oh Jesus. Oh yeah. There it is. What? So you know how people like get those like expensive like eyeshadows and stuff? I got my eyeshadow from Claire's. Claire's. Yes. The little kids store that sell like little jewelries and glitter bracelets and all that stuff. Yeah. They got a nice little palette. They got a nice little palette right here that I got from Claire's. Yes. And so I'm going to use these colors don't even have names. They're just regular colors. So yeah, I like to use a gold on the top of my brow. Yeah, a gold because I'm brown and I like to highlight my brown and gold features. So yeah, I'm using this color. You probably can't tell. You see that there's colors that I don't use because as a black female, why the heck do you have lime green on your face? No. We stick with like browns and golds and purples, maybe a blue. So this is like a red or actually like a pinkish color that I'm gonna like put a little bit above my brow, my eyelid and my eyelid as well because this is just what I do and I don't really care, but this is what I do. Ooh, I just got it in my eyeball. Now I'm gonna take black and I'm gonna go in the corner, on the outside corner and then the inside corner. I'm just gonna rub that in real quick. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Oh. I have no idea what I'm doing. Not even a clue. Oh, I just messed that up. Yep. 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 This is what happens when you are doing your makeup and you have no like real light. And then I'm gonna take like a little shimmery color Ooh, that was a lot of shimmer. And I'm gonna just put it on the middle, in between, just to shine it up a little bit. Y'all be sleeping on cheap makeup. I'm telling you, sometimes if you know what, like, if you know how to make it look expensive, then you are right. I have steering, I can't read, stirring, y'all can't read it, boom, this is blurry. But anyway, this is Ulta Matte Lip Cream. Yeah, my friend, she got me on this stuff. I don't usually go and buy expensive stuff. This is one of the few. This actually is not that expensive. This is $9. This is not expensive. It's expensive because I don't have $9, but oh yeah, I just messed that up. Oh yeah. And so sometimes I do my makeup in the car, not while I'm driving, but yeah, it happens. Yeah, I just messed that up. Oh, this is my I think this is Wet n Wild. The label then came off, but yeah, it's dull. So this is a regular pencil sharpener for regular pencils, not eyeliner, because I'm broke, but it still works the same. It still sharpens. So anyway, I'm gonna go put that on my eyelids, or put that, I don't know what this is called, but I'm gonna put it on. And you know, I'm not gonna do nothing fancy, no like cat eye, I'm just putting it on. And I stopped putting eyeliner on my bottom, or the bottom of my eye, from like, I don't know. And this is Great Lash Maybelline. Maybe she's born with it. Maybe it's Maybelline. So I'm just gonna put that on. I just want to thank the Lord that he gave me naturally curly eyelashes, so I don't have to like curl them. But the only bad thing about having naturally curly eyelashes is you can't really wear fake lashes because they are a pain. They look like garbage when you put them on. Oh, this is done. I get my little e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. This is my setting spray, and I spray my face. So I make sure all this stuff stays on my face so I don't hug somebody and it gets on them, because I know they get mad. I'm sorry, I just had to do that because all of the makeup tutorials I've seen, they do that little slow motion, like, and this is what the finished look looks like. Yeah. But anyway, that was Real Talk with Jen. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. And actually, this is episode 20. And I've been going for a good 4 months now, guys. So we're actually gonna take a little break, a little like intermission, I guess, and season 2 will be up and running. But until then, if you want to catch up on any of the episodes that you missed, remember there are 20 of them. You can catch up. You can go on Facebook and check out the recent ones that I've posted. You can go on my YouTube channel. You can go on my Instagram and you can keep up with me there as well. But this is my handle. You can keep up with me right here on Instagram. And yeah, Real Talk with Jen will be up soon. So catch you later. Bye. Okay, bye guys, for real.